This is Kyle the Caique. He's also affectionately called Chicken. Kyle is a white-bellied Caique, and he's juvenile. He's only 8 months old. He was hatched April 4th, 2025, and we got him a couple months ago. He's our first little bird, and he is the absolute home run of parrots. Come on, show off, superstar. You see the bird? So as he gets older, all these little black feathers on his head, those will molt off, and he will become, his head will be a bright, bright orange, and he'll still have the green wings, but his belly, as the name implies, will be completely white. And he will be a full white-bellied Caique. Right now it's yellow and white here. So, but he is an absolute little joy. Thank you all that have joined his Facebook page. I'm going to start doing a lot of different videos and show some of his antics. But he's a riot. He's got all kinds of toys. He's got all kinds of things to play with, but all he wants to do is be held, sit on our shoulder, right?
Mess up our hair.
Yeah, mess up our hair. So, but I just wanted to do a quick introduction. Go, superstar. And he loves to look at himself either in the mirror or on the camera. So. All right, say bye-bye, Kyle. Bye-bye. He'll talk eventually, but maybe. He has the ability to learn a few words. But right now, his favorite thing is the wolf whistle. Right, buddy? All right, say bye-bye.